it, my world is spinning. There is something I need to know. We've been vibing, drank the wine, and now you say that you need to go. Oh, but
Hi there, Gillian here from Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. I've got new subscribers. Thank you, new subscribers. I always feel a massive uplift when I get a new subscriber. So I'm doing another of these little abstract shape type paintings. Really enjoying playing with all the different tools, the palette knives, the sponges, the wedges. I bought a new tool recently. You'll see it being used in future videos. That is so much fun. Using lighter colours, more colourful colours, if you could get more colourful colours. You know, I'm ready, guys. I'm ready for the lighter mornings and the lighter evenings. We're getting there, but we're not quite there. I hope you enjoy watching this painting come together, and let me know down in the comments below if you are a die-hard Dutch pour, straight pour, ring pour kind of person, or whether you're open to have the kind of abstract art that I've been doing recently. Be really interesting to see. So I am going to leave you in peace, and I'm going to go off and get a drink. And I'll let you watch the rest of the video. I'll catch up with you later.
oh, but I don't know if you wanna feel it. But you don't have to go home, you can stay tonight. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Put your heels by the door, turn off the lights. Just stay tonight. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Babe, we're glowing on the floor and rolling, laughing till we're close to tears. You touch my hands like we're more than friends. You swear it's just the atmosphere. Oh, but I know love when I see it. Oh, but I don't know if you wanna feel it. But you don't have to go home, you can stay tonight. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Put your heels by the door, turn off the lights. Just stay tonight. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. Stay, oh, stay tonight, stay tonight. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind. If you stay tonight, we can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. We can keep on vibing, we can keep on vibing. We can keep on vibing till the morning light. If you're stuck inside tomorrow, scared by what you can't see, if your heart is full of sorrow and you don't know where you need to be, I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. take the lead. I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. No, I don't think you're crazy. You're just trying to do it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me dance without a song, sweet darling me. When you're done with playing nice and you need some rock and roll, if you feel a little restless at the center of your soul, go on and take me by the hand, sweet darling me. Let's be a little crazy. Let's try to make it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me smile without a joke, sweet darling me.